Once upon a time, two people did everything right. Hans and Greta planned their wedding, the kind that felt full, intentional, and exactly what they had hoped for.
The kind people still talk about after. The flowers were perfect. The band had the dance floor packed all night. And the food, somehow the best things anyone had ever eaten, came on the trays the size of your palm. And the bride, she looked like she stepped out of a storybook.
And then it was over. The wedding, the honeymoon, and the blur of it all. And suddenly they were home, settling into real life.
Saying my husband, my wife, like it still felt new. She's cooking dinners, he's bringing home takeout, they're sitting on the couch, and every once in a while he stops to say, I really love you, emphasizing the really.
They're seeing friends, watching other people's kids run around, holding babies that aren't theirs yet, and for a while, that was enough. Life felt good. It felt right.
Until one day, without any big moment, the question shows up. Do we want a baby?
And right behind it, are we actually ready? Because up until now, there's always been a path. School, career, relationship, wedding. Messy or not, there was always a direction people recognized.
There were steps, expectations, a sense that if you followed along, you'd get to where you were supposed to go.
But this question is different. There's no map that says, here's what needs to be in place. Here's how you know. Or here's what your life should actually look like.
And that's where our Hans and Greta were.
They thought they had a trail, something to follow when they needed it.
Until they stopped, looked around, and realized the breadcrumbs were gone.
Welcome to the BrideLawyer podcast, where fairy tales meet the fine print.
We're Sherry and Morgan, two lawyers, two generations, and one mission: to make sure your real life is just as protected as your fairy tale.
And today is the start of something new.
We've had the wedding files.
We've had the newlywed files.
This season, we're starting the baby files.
And for the first time, this isn't just a story, it's mine.
Because our bride lawyer has grown up, and Morgan is our Greta.
I am.
And she's having a baby.
Which means this isn't theory, this is real life happening in real time. I was in the exact place. Everything felt good. Job, life, relationship. I had no complaints.
No complaints?
I know, it's rare. No complaints. But the question wasn't just, do I want a baby? It was, am I actually set up for one?
And that's where people get stuck, because they assume there's a path, like someone left something behind to follow.
Exactly. I thought about the obvious things for, the medical side, appointments, what pregnancy feels like. Of course, I thought about names in the nursery.
Of course you did.
But I didn't think about everything underneath it, like maternity leave, disability leave, how insurance actually works, my rights at the hospital, that hiring a nanny makes me an employer.
And that's the part no one talks about. The legal side is everywhere, and most people don't even realize it's there.
Take the Family Medical Leave Act, FMLA. Everyone thinks it solves everything. It doesn't. It protects your job if you qualify, but it doesn't guarantee you get paid.
Then there's insurance. Everyone says we're covered, but that doesn't mean you understand it. Deductibles, co-pays, in-network providers, those details matter. And even laws like the No Surprises Act doesn't mean you won't get bills. It just means you may have a way to challenge them.
So if you're sitting there asking, are we ready? This is where you should stop guessing. Look at your job. Not what you think applies, what actually does.
Then look at your income during leave, not your salary, your real numbers when you're out. Paid, partial, or unpaid, what does it actually look like?
Call your insurance company. Ask real questions. Who's in network? What needs approval? What are your actual costs?
Then look at your financial reality, not your current life, your changed one. Childcare expenses, shifts in income. This is structural.
And finally, your legal planning. Wills, guardians, basic documents. Put them in place now. Hans and Greta thought they lost their path.
But the truth is, there never really was one.
Just crumbs.
And the only way forward is understanding what's actually around you.
That's exactly why we created the baby files, because there is no map for this part, and people end up guessing when they shouldn't have to.
And if you're realizing you don't actually know how your job, your leave, or your finances work with this, don't guess.
If you're in New York or New Jersey and want real answers for your situation, you can book a consultation at BrideLawyer.com. The link is in the description.
Next time, the princess called old before her time.
Because just because you're having a geriatric pregnancy, it doesn't mean you're getting old. See you then.